In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Apple Music link in Carrd.co. We'll keep this simple and clear, focusing on two quick parts: getting a shareable Apple Music link and adding it to your Carrd site as either a button or a text link. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable link that directs visitors straight to your music. First, grab the link from Apple Music, open Apple Music on your phone, your computer, or in a browser. Find the exact song, album, or playlist you want to share. When you've got it on screen, open the share menu. On most devices, that's the standard share icon or a menu labeled share. Choose copy link. This gives you a universal URL that will open in Apple Music or on the web, depending on your visitor's device. A quick tip here: choose a song, album, or playlist that best represents what you want people to hear first. Also, make sure the link you copied is the one you intend to use. Sometimes it helps to paste it into a note briefly just to confirm you've got it. Now switch over to Carrd, open your site and click Edit to enter the builder. From here, you can add your link either as a button or as a text element. Both work well, and the choice comes down to style and layout. If you prefer a button, add a button element. Update the label to something clear and action-oriented like Listen on Apple Music. In the link field, paste the Apple Music URL you copied earlier. If you want, set it to open in a new tab so visitors don't completely leave your site. You can adjust the button's size, color, and alignment to match your design and ensure it stands out. If you'd rather use text, add a text element. Type a short sentence or phrase such as "Listen on Apple Music" or "Check out this playlist." Highlight the specific words you want clickable, click the link icon and paste your Apple Music link. Confirm the link, then style the text as needed so it's easy to see and accessible with good color contrast. As you fine-tune, keep labels simple and descriptive so visitors know exactly what they'll get. Use Carrd's preview to confirm the link looks good across devices and reads clearly alongside your other content. That's it. You've embedded an Apple Music link in Carrd using either a button or a text link, keeping your site clean, lightweight, and focused on your music.